Hello guys, this is Average Trader and welcome to week 34 of our trade logging series. This week we made 2R. Really easy week, took a couple trades, took a couple stops, but overall, made 2 times our risk, so, nothing to complain about. Just a quick reminder, if you do want to see all of these trades live, head on over to our website. We're the only chat room out there that has a profit promise guarantee, which means for any month, for any reason, if we do not make money, you get all of your money back, no questions asked. All right, well, without further ado, let's get straight into the first trade of the week. And the first trade of the week was Tesla, and we got 1R out of this thing. We took 183 by 182.25, okay? And we took this off of a huge red downplay, okay, over here. And then this doji bar indicated that it was, coming up on some sort of retracement, right? So we got in at 183, excuse me, by 182 and took 1R relatively quickly. Nothing to say there. Really kudos to us for spotting this, actually, because it was a very easy play to miss, you know what I mean? So for these retracements, usually they come fast, as you can see by this huge green bar right here, right? So good thing we caught it and made 1R pretty easily out of it. Next trade we took was Apple, and we stopped out of this thing. We took 153 by 152.60. This was a gap up, and as you can see, this was a bounce, a retracement right here. Look on, it's even more obvious on the 2-minute, but look at this huge green, bar, right? A lot of buying power right here. Unfortunately, however, popped over our entry and came all the way right back down and stopped us out. Nothing we can really do about these things. You would expect after like a green engulfing bar on the 5-minute or an engulfing bar on the 2-minute, for buying power to stay there, but unfortunately, after this red bar right here, even though it's a bottoming tail red bar, we kind of knew it was done for and got stopped out of this trade. Next trade we took was Microsoft, 256.13 by 255.43, and this actually hit 1R, but I was a bit greedy and was aiming for 2R on this trade. Unfortunately, it came all the way back down and stopped us at break even. As you can see, we took this on a 1-minute breakout with a gap up with an engulfing bar on the 2-minute and a bottoming tail. So many bullish signs, and took this at 156.13 by 155.43, hit 1R, came back down 100% retracement. Very unfortunate, but we got tagged at break even. And next trade is Roku, 65.35 by 64.70. Okay, so we took this off of this buy setup right here. First of all, we knew Roku was, I don't have the daily chart here yet, but we knew Roku was going to go higher today. Right, it was a level 2, I believe, gap up. Okay, and after this 50% retracement, right, very important that it's a 50% retracement with a buy setup right here. We knew it was going to go higher, right? So we took the buy setup, 65.35 by 64.70, and hit 1R pretty easily. I do think that Roku hit 2R. I'm not very sure, but I'm pretty sure that Roku hit 2R this given day, but we only got 1R out of it. And next trade is FSLR, 209 by 210, and we got this to 1R pretty quickly as well. We took this under the low of the day at the time, right? By 210, and some of you will say, hey, you should have used 211, and I will point out that FSLR actually hit 1R if you used 211 as well, right? Which also means for this given trade it hit 2R, right? Unfortunately, we got out at 1R, but had you used 211 as your stop instead of 210, which was the more aggressive trade, you would have gotten 1R, at least 1R, anyways, right? So that is that, and that's all the trades of the week, right? Like I said, we took a couple stops, but a majority of our trades netted us 1R. I've been seeing a correlation recently with stocks that go 1R going 2R. So, I might, after back testing my 1R strategy, I might go back to 2R, all or nothing. And it will be interesting to compare my results later down the line. But Anyways, if you do want to see all of these trades live, be sure to head over to our website, averagetrader.live. We do trade live every single morning that the markets are open. And if you have any further questions or comments, put them in the comment section or join our Discord. I'm extremely active on the Discord. Other than that, I will see you guys for the continuation of our trade logging series next week. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye-bye.